Tonight's top story, a city project residents say is causing a flood of problems. People who live on Westbriar at West Military Drive tell KENS 5 their block is unsafe. The road, sidewalks, and parts of driveways all torn up. Eyewitness News reporter Henry Ramos joins us live from that neighborhood. Henry, residents are having a hard time out there driving and say they're getting stuck.
Stuck, Aaron. In fact, hey, this is our news unit right here. We didn't even want to drive it on the roadway exactly because of that. Now, I know it's dark here, but check this out. A lot of dirt because of the recent rain. It's turned into mud, and residents have been living like this for several months, though they say the real issue came just a few weeks ago when the crews tore up their driveways and sidewalks.
Just a mud blizzard, just a complete soupy, horrible mess.
Joseph Wilson is describing his neighborhood street.
If you have to plan on when we're going to get out of the house, because you might have one shot to get out before you get stuck.
Wilson did get stuck. You see his truck here in the mud, and he wasn't alone.
On Thanksgiving, I woke up to beeping noises and thought they were here working, and there were tow trucks on the street pulling people out.
There is no road on Westbriar. This is part of a city drainage project that is taking up this road and West Military Drive.
And a lot of people here, they don't know what to do.
Wilson, who is a contractor, says the headaches really came when crews tore up the sidewalks and driveways. They only left a mountain of debris behind. He says some of his elderly neighbors couldn't go anywhere because they couldn't get out.
You know, I understand it's going to be this way for a little while, but this is only a 6 foot wide, 8 foot wide piece to fix to keep us in and out. This part doesn't bother us. It's the fact of we have to get in and out.
After he called the city to complain, crews came to fill his driveway with gravel, but Wilson says they didn't compact it well enough.
I could throw a 5-gallon bucket of water right there and your foot would just sink right in.
But this is better than other neighbors. They don't have anything in their driveways.
I just want somebody to take responsibility.
So I asked the city, what could residents do in the meantime? I didn't get a response. I will tell you, I have seen a lot of the crews working out here earlier today, and the city made sure to tell me that this project has been delayed several times because of the weather, and it's not going to be complete, and expected to be complete, I should say, until February 2022. We're live tonight. Henry Ramos, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.